This festive season, the SteamRanger Heritage Railway in South Australia has introduced a new Christmas service, known as the Southern Lights Special, running from Goolwa to Victor Harbor with decorations and lights inside and outside the train. The first ever run of this service is made up of Heritage South Australian Railways RedHen Railcars 412 and 428, with a carriage sandwiched in between, covered in a mixture of lights. The RedHen Railcars were built between 1955 and 1971, operating services around Adelaide until around the mid-1990s. The train runs at a leisurely pace, non-stop from Goolwa to Victor Harbor, as seen here from the skies between Goolwa and Midleton minutes before sunset. After sunset, along the coast at Dump Beach, the train heads downgrade almost at the end of the first leg of its journey. Ticket prices to ride this service can be seen in the figure below from the SteamRanger Heritage Railway website. However, all trains for 2022 are now sold out. From the cliff tops on the beach across the bay, the train can be spotted pulling into the Victor Harbor township, completing the first leg of its trip, with the return trip to come after a 35-minute stopover. After arriving at Victor Harbor, passengers are free to explore the town, listen to the Christmas carols, or get those essential photos next to the illuminated train. The Southern Lights Special operates 3 times in 2022 on the 21st, 22nd and 23rd of December, with an illuminated New Year's Eve special also running on the 31st of December. The SteamRanger Heritage Railway operates an extensive range of different trains from Mount Barker, Strathalbyn, Goolwa and Victor Harbor. with highly maintained vintage steam, classic diesels and heritage railcars operating services over 200 days a year. Roughly a kilometre from Victor Harbor railway station, the return trip is seen crossing the Hindmarsh River. On the return trip, the train stops at Midleton, allowing passengers the chance to detrain, with the train conducting a run-by, allowing those on board to get shots from outside the train as it passes by. The train is seen here arriving at Midleton to commence the run-by before proceeding onwards to Goolwa. After the run-by was complete, passengers rejoined the train to continue on to Goolwa, as seen here with the train crossing Port Elliot Road just east of Midleton. Late into the night, the first ever Southern Lights special pulls into Goolwa railway station to complete its highly popular illuminated trip along the coast.